Okay, my friends, here we go. Have these nice bowls with our water in one and food in the other. Let's see if Boogie likes it. I think so. It's nice and high too, so the cats don't have to bend over too much to eat it. It's like a silicone pad, so it doesn't move around when these things are on it. These rings are decently heavy. They're all ceramic and they hold the stuff good. Looks like Boogie's taking the food out and then eating it. So he eats kind of funny, but these are pretty cool. I mean, they're nice, good height, and they're easy to clean, super easy to just wash out real quick. And looks like he likes to eat from it pretty nicely. So I like how one is tilted a little bit, so it's a little lower on one end, the pink one, and the other one is level. You can put the water in that. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. And Boogie, he's thirsty too. Good job, buddy. He likes it. See, it's nice and high, so he doesn't have to worry about not having to bend over too far to get his water. Just a really nice set. Plus, it looks cute. Little heart things. The cats really know that you appreciate them. All right, my friends, have a great day. See you next time.